Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we are reviewing the LG UltraGear 27-inch OLED QHD gaming monitor. This product will be linked down below. In this review, we will explore the design, utility, and overall value of the LG UltraGear 27 OLED QHD monitor. We'll analyze its various aspects to provide you with an informed perspective on its suitability for your gaming or productivity needs. LG is known for its stunning displays and their OLED technology. This monitor is intended for gamers given the high refresh rate and gaming benefits. This monitor was tested in a setup with two of these monitors and a third monitor, the LG 28-inch Dual-Up. We will soon be releasing an unboxing and review of this monitor. There are some very interesting features of that monitor we are excited to discuss. Upon first setting eyes on the LG UltraGear 27 OLED QHD monitor, its sleek and modern design immediately catches your attention. The slim bezels create an expansive screen space that promises an immersive visual experience. The build quality feels solid and well-crafted, instilling confidence in its durability. The size of the monitor, combined with the QHD resolution, is impressive. The high pixel density ensures crisp and sharp visuals, allowing for fine details to be easily discerned. Colors appear vibrant and accurate, thanks to the OLED panel's ability to produce deep blacks and excellent contrast. The adjustable stand provides flexibility in positioning the monitor to find the ideal viewing angle, and the slim profile adds a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. The inclusion of adaptive sync technologies like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync further piques interest, promising smooth gameplay. While the monitor's initial impressions are positive, one aspect that might be of concern is the potential for OLED burn-in. OLED panels are susceptible to permanent image retention if static elements are displayed for extended periods. However, it's important to note that modern OLED panels, including those used in this LG monitor, have implemented measures to mitigate this issue. Overall, the initial impressions of this monitor are highly promising. The combination of its sleek design, high-resolution display, and adaptive sync technologies suggests a premium and immersive visual experience for gaming and productivity tasks. Further exploration and testing will provide a more comprehensive assessment of its performance and functionality. During testing, some limitations could be written off as early adopters' growing pains. Many of these limitations could be fixed via firmware updates. Specific games or applications might need different configurations to get the excellent viewing pleasure of an OLED monitor with this high refresh rate. Also, there is a requirement for a stronger GPU to support this monitor. Although this monitor is only 1440p, the OLED display mixed with the high refresh rate gives an experience that is synonymous with 4K displays. LG provides a remote to control settings within the monitor to change as needed depending on the intended use case for the monitor. There is also a second option to access the settings of the monitor. This is through the on-screen control application. From here, the settings can be adjusted and tested all on screen without the use of the remote. On the bottom, it shows all the monitors that are connected and also gives you the ability to change the game modes of general options. For example, changing the monitor to reading mode to have a better experience when reading documents or doing more productivity-focused tasks. Now let's get into the review. We give the design 4.5 stars. The design of the LG UltraGear 27-inch OLED QHD monitor is sleek and visually striking. The overall build quality is excellent, with sturdy materials that lend a premium feel to the monitor. The adjustable stand provides ergonomic flexibility, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle for extended comfort during long gaming or work sessions. The monitor's OLED panel produces vibrant and lifelike colors with deep blacks, thanks to its individually lit pixels. This technology enhances the visual experience, providing rich contrast and impeccable color accuracy. The slim profile of the monitor adds to its aesthetic appeal, making it an attractive addition to any setup. We give utility 4 stars. This monitor excels in utility, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and productivity tasks. The QHD resolution ensures sharp and detailed visuals, allowing you to appreciate fine details in games, images, or videos. The fast response time and higher refresh rate ensure smooth motion and minimize motion blur, providing an immersive gaming experience. Setting up the monitor is intuitive and simply plug and play. For gamers, this monitor offers additional features like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync compatibility. These technologies synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering, resulting in seamless gameplay. The monitor also boasts an impressive low input lag, enhancing the responsiveness and accuracy of your actions in fast-paced games. We give the value 4 stars. This monitor is currently priced at $999.99. Considering its design, utility, and performance, this monitor offers exceptional value for its price range. The OLED panel technology and QHD resolution provide stunning visuals that enhance your gaming and productivity experiences. The inclusion of adaptive sync technologies ensures smooth gameplay, reducing visual artifacts and improving overall performance. Moreover, LG is known for its reliability and build quality, making this monitor a long-term investment. The warranty and customer support provided by LG further adds to the overall value, giving you peace of mind. While this monitor may have a higher price point compared to other monitors in its category, the combination of its design, utility, and performance justifies the cost. If you prioritize visual quality, immersive gaming experiences, and productivity, this monitor offers excellent value and is well worth the investment. Thank you for watching this video. Would you buy this monitor or do you own this monitor? Let us know your experiences down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date on our latest videos and future giveaways. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future. Thanks for watching and we can't wait to see you in our next video.